Ladies and gentlemen, this is Keith from iRepair Autos. Today I'm going to show you how to fix that warning battery indicator that you're getting. This is the white battery indicating that you have an auxiliary battery issue. If you have already changed your auxiliary battery, I have a video up there that shows you how to do that. If you have already changed that and you're still getting this indicator, then chances are this video is for you. Without much ado, let's get started. But before we do, let's remember to like, share, and subscribe. New video every Monday. Let's get to it.
So like I said, ladies and gentlemen, you put your key in the ignition, turn on the engine, and you're greeted with that Visit Workshop white battery. Right after you've done, or maybe you've not yet done the auxiliary battery change, but if you've done the auxiliary battery change and you're greeted with this, you would probably scratch your head and say, hey, why is the Mercedes warning lamp coming on with Visit the Workshop? And it's frustrating. You've changed the battery, your alternator is good, your main battery is good, but yet you're still seeing this. Let's get started in diagnosing and fixing this. Start off by opening your front passenger door and bringing that passenger seat all the way to the front. You're going to need access to the battery compartment below. Then open the rear passenger door. Remove the mat. Take off the battery vented cover plate, which is that plastic plate right below.
This brown cable here can pop off, especially if you're doing a battery change. This goes to the auxiliary battery ground to charge that battery. Doesn't get charged, it's going to pop on. Connect that back, check to make sure that there's no corrosion, and if it's already connected, make sure that the little interface on the inside isn't worn out, or that the plastic housing is not cracked.
Connect this lead back to the negative terminal of the main battery.
That will ensure that it will get charged. Put back your cover. Put back your mat. Put your seats back.
Once done, start the engine again to test your work. You should not see any indicator of a battery issue in the cluster, indicating that you've resolved the problem. These types of repairs at the dealership can be extremely costly.
As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. What that does, it pushes my videos up in the search results so that other Mercedes owners, drivers, do-it-yourselfers can find them easier. Thanks and peace out.